Today we're making creme brulee. Keep going. Keep going with the... Yeah, there you go. I feel like we need to take a shot about that. It just felt so good. Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I, of course, am Christian, and this is...
Shelby.
And today we are making creme brulee. We're going to have hot toddies because it is definitely that time of year. We are here in Colorado and we got several inches of snow. And it was great. It's beautiful. But you also need to have a warm and boozy drink about it. So.
Here we go.
Yep. So we have this whiskey. We have these lemons, which are giant. And we have this honey. Couple lemon wedges squeezed. Limon.
And this is also perfect for curing the common cold.
That's true. And, you know, if you're becoming a zombie, have a hot toddy.
That's you.
Yep, that's me. This is apt. It's hot. It's very hot.
Oh, that's good.
No?
Yeah.
It's like whiskey tea.
It is like whiskey tea. Yeah.
For our creme brulee today, we have eggs, heavy cream, sugar, vanilla bean from Madagascar, and vanilla extract. There's not a lot to it. So, right? Like, you thought there was more, didn't you?
No. I mean, like, the difficult part is when it comes to the butane torch.
Okay, so you think the hardest part is, like,
The glaze.
caramelizing
Yeah.
the sugar?
Because it's, like, you don't want to burn it.
Right. Well, that's a matter of movement.
Yeah.
You'll find out. Okay, cool. So first things first, we want to separate our eggs. Are you good at that?
Yeah. Yes. I
Yeah?
mean, I
Okay,
think
good.
so.
No, I'm not doubting you. I'm just looking at you.
Oh, God, no, I don't know how to do this.
You're right. I don't know
BuzzFeed
any.
told me to get a water bottle. Do you have one? Yeah.
Yeah, awesome. You can also do that. We will whisk these with the sugar, third cup to be exact. Looks good. Bomb. What we're going to do now is preheat the oven to 325. While the oven is preheating, scorch our cream. So what we want to do is scorch it, which is basically like pretty quickly bring it to a high temperature, not burn it. That I know a lot of times like people would think like scorch means burn,
Yeah.
but that's not the same thing. We want to like bring it up without stirring it a ton. Get a consistent, swirl on that. Perfect. So what we're going to do is get a thin stream. Like that's pretty important. There's not a lot that I really like to stick on in the phrasing of this, but it's really important that we have a thin stream so that we don't cook the egg yolk. While we're adding the cream to the mixture. So what I want to veer off and do is scrape some of this vanilla bean that I have from Madagascar, courtesy of my cousin Sophie from France. Scrape some of the bean out so that we can really get just like a deep and rich vanilla flavor in our creme brulee. Ooh, careful. Careful. But we're going to put a little bit of the vanilla extract too, because we want it like extra super duper
Vanilla-y.
vanilla-y. Okay, so next we will put it in our containers. Look at that rich color, dude.
Yes.
And I would even fill those up just a little bit more. Even more. More than that. Yeah. Perfect. That's awesome. That's exactly where you want it to be. Just kind of flirting with the edge there. We're living on the edge. So we're going to put hot water in our pan. And we want it to be at least halfway up to the level of our creme brulee, because it is kind of going to boil in there to get our custard set. So we want to make sure that the water, if and when it comes to boiling, won't go over the top of the container. That's pretty much where we've got our water. Honestly, I would add a little more. And then we're going to just toss it in, cover it with foil, and let it go for an hour and a quarter or an hour and a half.
An hour and a half.
I mean, we'll just check it.
Basically.
Let's bring it over here. Let's put him there. Let's grab the foil. You want to get a decent seal on it. So the creme brulee is in the oven.
In a water bath.
In the water bath, covered in foil. But it takes a while, so we're going to have a whole hour. And in the hour, we're going to have delicious mac and cheese and play some games. So we're going to check on our cremes. We're going to open up the foil. So what we want is for it to be set, I know they are, around the sides. And they're not. But it's close. So what we're actually going to do is just have it go for another 20 minutes. This is great. This is beautiful. Look at how beautiful it is.
It has that nice, like, cream color to it.
4. And we will refrigerate them. We have allowed them to cool. And now we're going to put the sugar on top so that we can brulee our creme brulees. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But really, you just like want it later. Okay. Okay, that's great.
Now it's my turn?
Yeah, game on. Let's see what you can do. Keep going. No, keep going with the... Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Yep, that's great. And you can pull back if you think it's getting too dark too quickly, and that's really how you kind of control its level of caramelization. Oh, balls out, girl. I see you. Full in. Not backing down. Ooh. Ooh. Ain't no joke. Okay. All right. Nice. Getting that brulee. Okay.
Brulee all day.
Okay, okay, okay. All right, what do you think? Okay, all right. On to number 2. Careful. Watch your hands. This is it. Mine's cool enough. And yours is too. The smaller one is. Look at that. Yeah. There we go. Well, I think that this creme brulee was very much a success.
So much a success.
Dude, it was super delicious. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Thank you for being my friend and loving me and watching my show and subscribing, because I know you already did, because I've asked you to like 20 million times. Really probably just like 20 times, but I love you. Subscribe to my show and show me that you love me back, and share it with your friends, because they're gonna love it too. They're just like you. Bye guys. Creme brulee!